Hello, it's Jeta, and today I'm going to be doing part 2 of the cleaning series. So today I'm going to be going through my clothes cupboard and going through all my clothes because there is so much that doesn't fit anymore and I don't really like, and I kind of want to go through that before sixth form, because obviously then I have to wear my own clothes, no uniform, which is really exciting. But I also need to go through the part underneath my cupboard because I have board games there. So yeah, I'm going to start with clothing though. I think what I'm going to do is get all of the clothes out onto the floor in piles and separate them into what I'm keeping, what I'm throwing away, which probably is going to go into storage or selling them, it depends what they are, and then something I'm like not sure of because I know there's going to be loads that I don't know what to do with. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I've taken out my uniform and I'm just going through these clothes. They're currently in piles on the floor, but I am just finding it a bit difficult to know what to do with the clothes because I really want to have really meaningful pieces in my closet that I really enjoy wearing, and I don't want to have lots and lots of clothing. I don't mind if I only have a bit, but as long as I like everything. But at the same time, I'm just kind of like, but I should probably have some basics. So I think what I'm going to do instead is separate them into long sleeve tops and short sleeve tops and deal with the tops and see how many I have and how many I will buy, because obviously I'm going to buy some new clothing as well. But I think I need to actually bring the stuff up there down to. Absolutely, completely a mess. Yay! So over here I've got t-shirts and blouses which need to kind of be hung up, and then over here I've got trousers, leggings, miscellaneous random hangers that aren't being used, skirts, shorts, long sleeve tops, cardigans, short sleeve tops and vests and things like that. And then here are the dresses and other kind of long items of clothing. Okay, so I'm going to stop filming now because I need to try on some clothes to see what fits and doesn't for a couple of things, and I will get back to you when I know what I'm going to get rid of and what I'm going to keep. Okay, so I found this leotard which I really like the neckline and just how it looks, but even though it's a leotard, I feel like I could wear it like with a skirt or something. Yeah, maybe. I think I'm going to keep it. I kind of like it. But yeah, the current situation is these are dresses that I'm getting rid of. These are shirts I'm keeping, stuff down here that I'm going to throw. Hello, it's Editing Jeta here. I just wanted to quickly say, every time that I say I'm throwing this away or getting rid of it, I'm not actually throwing it away. I'm either putting it into storage or giving it to charity. So yeah, just to be clear, I'm not just throwing these away. Everything here I'm still slowly going through, but there's also keep stuff here. Basically, it looks an absolute mess, but I kind of have a system and I kind of know where everything is. But yeah, I'm currently listening to some music on here. I'm listening to Ben Howard. I love his music. It's so kind of upbeat, but just beautiful at the same time. I love Only Love. Also, really quickly, my grandma actually made this beautiful top for me. Completely ignored the skirt, it doesn't go, but look at the back. It's just so pretty, and I can't believe my grandma actually made this. Like, she's so talented. The really funny thing is I texted my best friend. She was just like, how are you? And I was like, oh, I'm just in the midst of all this clothing. And then it turned out she was cleaning her room as well. So we are in sync. Okay, so it's a lot later now. I've had dinner and I'm going to put everything back now. But the good thing about doing this is now I know exactly what I need. For example, I've only got one pair of shorts, so clearly I need to buy some shorts. But yeah, basically by doing this I can see what I don't have and what I do have, and then know what I need to buy instead of just buying clothes for the sake of buying them when I don't actually need them. Okay, so I have gotten out all of the larger board games, but there's a few of these board games that are kind of more for my sisters now, so I'm going to separate them out and pull out the ones that really are more for my sisters, so they can put those in their room, and then I'll reorganise everything that I'm keeping and put it back into the little cupboard space. Okay, so I've hoovered the inside of that little cupboard area. Now I'm going to organise everything and just put it back inside, and then I'm pretty much done with the cupboard. What I'm thinking is the kind of classic board games, so Monopoly, Solitaire, Cluedo, things like that can go on one side, and the other miscellaneous like art stuff or just random other board games will go next to that. And then the really small games, like the pocket games, which I did organise in here, but as you can see, there is no organisation anymore. So things like my Rubik's Cube and like pocket games and things like that can also just sit there. But honestly, it's just gotten really bad. Like, I have Play-Doh in here. Why do I have that in there? But yeah, basically just the small games I'm going to organise in this little storage box, and then I should be done. So I will show you the results. Okay, so the board game section is done, and yeah, that concludes part 2 of the cleaning series. Yeah, my room is slowly but surely coming together. Part 3 is going to be a bit different. It's not really cleaning, it's more redoing. So I'm actually changing my room up a little bit. So I'm actually getting a new bookshelf and doing some exciting things with that. So I'm really excited to share that bit with you. There's even an IKEA vlog in there too. So I think, yeah, you'll really enjoy part 3. But yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that it was enjoyable and satisfying in some way. And I hope you have a lovely day. Bye!